Hello, hello, hello. Hello, my name is Mike Searson. I am with Live Your Life Learning. Learning to make your life better. Podcast's purpose is to provide insight, research, and opinion, not to provide professional, legal, or tax advice. Please see an individual expert for individual guidance. Do you know what your voice sounds like? Of course you do. You've been listening to your voice since you were a very small child. Every time you open your mouth, you hear your voice. You know what your voice sounds like. If you're unsure how your voice sounds, you just start talking. For example, my voice. Take my voice, for example. My voice sounds more in the lower, deep tonal voice range. My voice is not a deep bass voice, but it is a deep tonal voice. I hear my voice each time I talk. It is a voice I am familiar with. I can also hear my voice on recording devices. For example, doing a podcast. I can listen to my voice, and I hear my voice sound like, okay. My voice sounds like that. My voice sounds nothing what I'm used to. Surprise. Welcome to the surprise of recording your voice on a recording device like a podcast. My voice sounds more like a higher tonal voice. I find it difficult to explain. I thought my voice might sound more familiar to a voice from a past Minnesota senator named Al Franken, but I don't think that comparison is entirely accurate. Perfectly sounding voice, it works fine for me to navigate through life, but it is surprising when you hear your voice on a recording device for the first time. After a while, you get used to your voice on a recording device after doing it for some time. YouTube video. A good YouTube video that explains the process is YouTube title, Why Does Your Voice Sound Different on a Recording? Greg Answers Your Questions, Head Squeeze. From the YouTube channel BBC Earth Lab, published September 9, 2013. When you hear your voice from a recorded device, you may hear an unfamiliar voice than what you are used to. So, what does your voice sound like? Does your voice sound different from what you expected? What is the difference? What does your voice sound like? Let me know your thoughts at helpfulfeedback@yahoo.com. And Helpful Feedback's all one word, HELPFULFEEDBACK @yahoo.com. Happy recording. Thanks for listening.